Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a World Coin Hunt and I've designated this World Coin Hunt number 25. Please excuse the rattling noise that you may hear occasionally in the background. That is a fan that's on. Unfortunately it's a very hot day and I can't sitting here with the lights and everything else without the fan being on, so I do apologise if it distracts you at all. This first coin is a finished coin from 1985. It's a one marker. On this side you have the country, the year and the COA, the coat of arms. On the reverse you have the value of one marker. The mintage for this coin is 19,001,000 coins. That's 19,001,000. The second coin is a Belgian coin. It's a 20 franc coin from 1982. The portrait is of Boudouin first. On the reverse is the value, the fruit plant and the year is on the reverse. You've also got the country name of Belgium. This 1982 coin has a mintage of 54 million. I believe the fruit plant may well be an olive. Next coin brings us a familiar look, and it is the Soa from France. So on this side you've got the Soa and you've got the country name. It's a 5 franc coin from 1992. On the reverse you have the value of 5 francs, you have the year, the country name and olive stems around. This 1992 coin has a mintage of 9,966,011. Whoops, sorry about that, didn't mean to bang it, bang on the table. The next coin is from Turkey and it shows Ataturk along with the country name. This is a bimetallic coin. It's 50 kuruş from 2005. On the reverse you have the value, you have the year, and you have a graphic circle of the chain of Olev the fifth. Chain of Olav. You also have the Turkish symbol of the crescent moon and star right at the top. What am I talking about? I do apologise, I was going for looking at another written information about another coin. So we start again. This is a Turkish coin. It has Ataturk the first, Ataturk on there, and the country name, and then on the reverse we have the value, the year and the coat of arms, which is the star and crescent moon. The mintage for this bimetallic coin is 203,749,569. This next coin was the one I was talking about. This is Olaf V, and you also have the country name of Norway. It's a 10 krona coin from 1986. So that's Olaf V and the country name. And then on the reverse we have the value of 10 krona. We have the year it was done, and there's a graphic circle. Now this graphic circle is the chain of Olaf, or represents the chain of Olaf, who of course was the saint, so the chain is known as the chain of Saint Olaf. The mintage for this 1986 coin is 29,060,950. Now this is probably the oldest coin in the hunt. It's a Belgian 1 franc coin from 1911. You have Albert the First, I think it is, on this side, and then on the reverse you have a garland, the value, that's the way up, Steve. You have a garland, a value, and the year. This mintage for the 1911 coin is 2,810,000. It is slightly grubby and a bit battered, but when you're over 100 years old, you might feel that way anyway. And the last coin in this first row of two is an Indian coin, which shows the Ashoka line pillars. This is a 5 rupee coin from 2012. On the reverse we have the 5 rupees, and we have a flowering vine and the year. The flowers that are within the vine, like this one there, these are lotus flowers. There is no mintage for this coin available. The first coin on the second row is a Philippines coin. This is the bank logo, and the date that's on there is the date that the bank formed. On the reverse side, where we see the 1 peso valuation, we have a portrait of Joseph Rizal, the value and the country. This Philippine coin does not have a mintage available. The next coin in the hunt is this one here. It is from Sweden. It is a 1 krona coin from 2003. It shows the portrait of Carl Gustaf XVI, the country name plus the year. On the reverse we have the Swedish crown. We have the mint mark of H, I think it is, and we have the value. The mintage for this 2003 coin is 54,147,889. This next coin, it shows Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's a coin from Fiji from 1969. It shows the Queen, the country and the year on this side. On the reverse we have a 2 in a palm leaf fan. The mintage for this 1969 coin is 8 million. This next coin is a Swedish coin, and it has a crowned monogram. It's from 1978 and it's got the year. I think this is Gustaf XVI, Carl Gustaf XVI monogram above a crown, below a crown, sorry. There we have the value, the first, which is Sweden, the value of 5 ore. The mintage for this 5 ore coin from 1978 is 45,970,344. This next coin is a Polish coin. We have the coat of arms of the crowned eagle, the country and the year. On the reverse we have the number 5 with 5 oak leaves and grozzy. So it's a 5 grozzy coin from 2014. The 5 oak leaves separate, celebrating the 5 groszy, and the mintage for this coin is 15 million. Again, we have a SOA on a slightly smaller coin and the country name of France. This is a 1 franc coin from 1976. So we have the SOA and the country name. On this side we have the value of 1 franc. We have the year and the olive stems. This 1976 1 franc coin has a mintage of 192,555,711. Next one is a coin from India. It's a 2 rupee coin from 2002. You have the Ashoka lions and the name of the country on this side. On the reverse you have the 2 rupees, the year, the diamond mint mark, which I think is Mumbai, and you have a flowering vine. There are no mintage figures for this coin. There we go. This coin is from Malaysia. It is a 1 sen coin from 2005. On this side we have the value and the fruit salad plant, the year and the country name. On the reverse we have a tribal drum. That tribal drum is known as a Rabana Ubi drum, and that's R-A-B-A-N-A. Second word is UBI, and then drum. The mintage is 437,400,000. Next coin is from Romania. It's from Romania. It's a 10 bani coin from 2016. On this side you have the year, the country and the coat of arms, and on the reverse you have the value. The only mintage I could find for this coin was for a proof coin, and that was only 250 coins. So I would say this one is not a proof coin but a circulating one. As for the mintage, it's unknown. This coin is from Chile. It's a 10 pesos coin from 2007. We have the country, and the person is B. O'Higgins. I think it's Bernard O'Higgins. On the reverse you have the value, you have the year and a garland. There are no mintage figures for this coin. This coin is a Belgian coin. It's a 1 franc coin from 1975. You have the head of Ceres on here, and to the back of his head on the right hand side of the coin you've got a cornucopia. You also have the year, so it is a Belgian 1 franc coin from 1975. On the other side we have the year, the value, the country name and a crowned oak stem. The mintage for this coin is 80 million. That's 80 million. Last 2 coins. First one is from Austria. We have a eagle and holding the shield, which is the coat of arms. and on the reverse we have the value, the country name and the year. This is an aluminium coin. It's an Austrian 2 Groschen coin from 1954. The mintage is 46,167,000. The last coin is on the small, is a hold coin. It's from Belgium. It's crowned. It is a crown monogram plus the year on this side. It's a 1941 5-cent coin. The monarch or the monogram is of Leopold III. On the reverse, this one is a zinc coin, so it's a bit grubby and a bit worn. We have 3 shields, the value and the country name. Now the shields are from Ghent, which is part of Belgium, and the mintage is 10 million coins. Well, that finishes off the hunt. As you can see, all the coins are bagged, ready for me to flip and put into my collection. I have 5. Start again. At this moment I'm doing about 5 videos a week, minimum 4, but normally 5 videos a week, in the hope that you'll find something that you enjoy. If you've enjoyed this particular one, could you give me the thumbs up? And if you've not yet subscribed, if you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to get my numbers up. I'm currently at about 188 and I want to get to 250 by the end of December of 2023. So if you can help me by subscribing, if you believe I deserve it, I'll be very grateful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in closing, thank you for watching and staying till the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye now. Ta-da!